Master of Ceremonies, respected Talatala, the Special Administrator, Nasinu Town Council, the CEO and the staff of Nasinu Town Council, the Chief Financial Controller of Vodafone. I was just waiting for his announcement. Unfortunately, he has not done that, but I'll make sure that before we do the closing, he comes over and makes commitment for next year's sponsorship. Mr. Hridesh Prasad, the contestants, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Gula Binaka, and a very good evening to you all. It is indeed a pleasure to be here this evening. The theme of this year's festival, Let's Unite Together to Beautify Nasinu, is highly appreciated. The town is certainly a people's place and a very strong multiracial community. This makes Nasinu special and makes it important for my ministry to support community and civic building programs through Nasinu Town Council. I must also add that it gives me an enormous sense of satisfaction to be here with all of you, because any organized program that empowers our people is close to my heart. Ladies and gentlemen, the team also extends an invitation to all residents of the town to work with the town council in improving sanitation and beautifying the place. Your town needs your support, and you are all urged to work closely with the town council in beautifying this great town. Your town council looks for your genuine support and is more than welcome to receive suggestions and enter into private-public partnership to promote Nasinu's beautification program. Government continues to increase its budget each year for the municipal councils throughout the country. Ladies and gentlemen, a number of programs have been planned for Nasinu in the forthcoming years. But I am happy to announce that the two major projects that will take place will include the Langere Municipal Market and upgrading of this ground, Balalevi ground. And what I see tonight, that Nasinu, the people of Nasinu definitely needs our stadium as well. So you can be rest assured that this is coming from the government. In addition, ladies and gentlemen, additional resources are being planned to be invested for the strengthening of solid waste management program. During my recent visit to Rekireki and Nasori, I have highlighted the challenge facing us in keeping a clean and green environment. Littering has become a huge problem for us. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time to change. We are great people, and let's do the great thing. And that is to do the right thing. Therefore, I humbly request all Fijians to work towards in keeping Fiji clean at all times. Ladies and gentlemen, this festival shall now become an annual event and will be organized by the Nasinu Town Council. Given that it is very first for the council to organize such an event, there may have been some shortfalls, but I can assure you, all those who are present here, that come 2017, it will be organized in a grand way, and we can say that 2017 will be bigger and a better festival for the people of this land. With these few words, ladies and gentlemen, I offer my sincere appreciation to the participating queens and sponsors. To the queens, I thank you for your courage to be part of this program. This is much a promotion of beautifying Nasinu. Therefore, you all are winners tonight. On this note, I congratulate all for the success of this 2016 Vodafone Millennium Sinu Festival as we officially enter into its closing ceremony. But before I say Vinaka, I want you all to put your hands together and say thank you to this hard-working committee. Vinaka and may God bless us. Vinaka.
And also